In this video, we are going to explore the image to video feature in Adobe Firefly, and that's an amazing option since you can just upload a simple image and then convert it into a moving video. So we can upload any kind of image and let that move, but let's just try generating the image with Adobe Firefly using AI, and then we will use that particular image for the video generation as well. Let's go back. First of all, in the image section, let's generate it text to image, and then we will let that move. Get started, and let's use Firefly image 3. We have all the Gemini and Google products as well because it's partnered with that. And what we are going to do is just take the support of ChatGPT, and I have written a simple prompt: generate an AI image prompt for a real looking knight, which is a soldier, or you can say a warrior, and then write a scene to convert it into a motion video for Firefly. And it has generated an AI prompt image, a highly detailed lifelike knight in full shining steel armor, and you can read through all of it. Let's copy this and paste it in our prompt generator. Click on generate, or let's try the Firefly image for ultra superior quality and detail. Let's try this. And here is our image. It's of great quality, and just write visible face. Let's generate it again. Okay, this time it has generated this image. It's very good quality. Let's click on download and look at the quality and detail, guys. It's so amazing. Let's just try this. Go back. Let's click on the video. Let me just make it full screen. Go to the video. Let's use the image to video now. And you will notice that we land in the same area. What we'll do this time is just delete this prompt, upload the first frame. Here is where we upload the image, your device. Let's choose the image. This is the image. And what do we want to do? Let me just change the capture screen. You can just hold and change it to any angle. And the motion scene prompt for Firefly is very detailed. So I just asked ChatGPT to make it a prompt for 5 seconds video, which can be shown in 5 seconds. So this is how it converts it, because right now we only generate 5 seconds of duration in clip. Let's paste it. And since the character is a female now, so let's make it for female. Let's copy this. Instead of manually making changes, I just asked ChatGPT to do it for us. Let's click on generate and let's play this, guys. Okay, this is so good. Let's play this again. And this is just a simple example on how you can convert any kind of still images to a moving video. And obviously, if you want some changes to be made, you can just write your own prompt or ask ChatGPT to generate a different scene. Rewrite the video in motion. She already had a helmet on, so generate something different. And let's try this scene. Image is already in the frame. Let's generate this again. Let's play this, and this time it looks different. Obviously, you need a couple of tries in order to generate the perfect motion video with Firefly using the image reference. So this is how you can use both of these features. Let's look at the credits used, and right now from 2000 we only have 360 left. But this is how you can explore some of the amazing features of Adobe Firefly of text to video and image to video. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.